So I can be on the common 2 metres away from lots of people I don't know, but I'm not allowed to know more than one of those people. And if I see someone else that I know, I have to move away from them towards other people I don't know.
You've got it. You've got it. You keep your
total common sense. And as long as I go home and wash my hands, everything's absolutely fine.
Yeah, Edwina, the trouble is, it's all complete nonsense, isn't it? It's not common sense. It obviously makes absolutely zero sense. For example, I can have a cleaner come to my house, who might be cleaning various other houses, and they can wander around my house, maintaining social distancing, but I can't have either of the two sons I haven't seen in 10 weeks do the same. Why? Explain where that makes sense.
Well, it feels uncomfortable because that's not the way we normally do things.
No, it's not comfortable. You said it's about common sense. No, but hang on. I asked you specifically...
No, you're asking me a question.
Answer the question about why I can have a cleaner come into my house. All right, go on then.
Yes, I'm trying to answer your questions, and you and Suzanne just keep interrupting.
Well,
it's no wonder the ministers won't come on if you keep doing that.
Come on, it's common sense. Show me why that makes sense.
Are you going to give me a chance? You're going to keep it.
Answer the question.
You're wasting my answer time when you do that, you know.
Answer the question.
I know what you're up to. I know what you're up to.
Oh, you crafty old devil. Come on.
It doesn't feel right because we are social beings. But it is common sense to make arrangements only to see one other household. If you start seeing multiple households, then the reproduction rate of this horrible disease
that wasn't my question.
Up again.
Edwina, that wasn't my question. That's why, unfortunately, I had to interrupt you, because you were answering a different question. My question was, why, you say it all makes perfect sense. Why can a cleaner come into my house several times a week, but neither of the two sons I haven't seen in 10 weeks can do the same? Explain to me.
Right, because your cleaner is supposed to be cleaning and making your house a much healthier place, making sure all the surfaces, the doorknobs, the toilets, everywhere else, anywhere else.
One of my sons is a great cleaner. He can do that. So why can't he do that? Fine.
Well, your son's a cleaner, that's lovely.
Okay, so you think my youngest son is a good cleaner, he can come and do that job?
Let's come back to people going back to work.
No. I want you as the epitome